morning, everybody. Today is Monday morning at the Myrtle Beach. I'm going to cook breakfast, lunch, everything, all whole night. Yeah, so let's go cook. Okay, first I'm gonna go steam rice first. Steam sticky rice. Here my equipment right here. Okay, now I'm gonna cooking egg, scrambled egg, guys. Okay, right here. Okay, I did the scrambled egg, make scrambled egg. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to season the egg. Okay, my seasoning is gonna be chicken powder. Okay, time for cooking egg. This is I just butter today.
So who's the beef?
Put a lot of butter. Okay, let's go cook. Pour this one down. Very easy, guys. Scrambled egg, very easy. This is vacation, Myrtle Beach, breakfast for all the kids and adult, everybody eating that. And the sticky rice, guys. Okay. Okay, done cooking. Scrambled egg, breakfast in the morning. Good eating, healthy. Done. Okay, now come back, sticky rice. See that? Steam on the top good. I'm going to show you how to turn over. Turn over. Do like that. See that? Put it back. That's how steam sticky rice. I'm going to turn over this one. 10 minutes on the first. And then now I'm going to go for 15 minutes. Cover up again. How to steam sticky rice. Okay, I'm going to make a chicken stir fry with vegetable. So I'm going to prep the chicken first. Okay, first I'm going to prep the chicken. Take all the fat out. Don't want no fat, but you want to eat healthy. Don't want no fat. Take all the fat out. Like that. And all the fat trim off. Don't want no fat in my food. Okay. So chicken thigh. Prep all of this. Yeah. Very easy. Cut how you want it. Small one, big one, no problem. Cut like that. Cutting. All the fat I see. I don't want no fat in my food. A little bit okay. It's nobody perfect. Like you don't want to eat all one of the oil. You know what I mean? Okay, right there. Go ahead. Here. I'm gonna finish all of them. Okay, chicken crab done. other side. Done. Okay guys, chicken fat right there, I don't want to throw away. I'm gonna make crispy skin, make the chip. Okay, first I'm gonna seasoning chicken salty sauce and seasoning well. Okay, deep fry and get it crispy. Okay, this part right here, I'm gonna put sticky rice when I'm done. Okay, now the rice already here. Show you how to keep your sticky rice warm all the way. You use a cooking pot, rice cooking pot, warm up all the way. So what I'm doing, just do like this and put it here. Make the rice warm all day. This vacation cooking, cook what you got and healthy good food at the same time. There you go. That's it. Done. Yep. Done. Beautiful. Sticky rice. Okay, that's it. And close it up. This rice warm up all day. And it's warm right there. And that's it. Stay right there. Done. Okay, all the vegetables. I'm gonna cook chicken with the cucumber right here. Nice. Okay. Okay, crispy. Chicken skin. Done. Just like that. See that? Nice, huh? Alright. Okay, time to cook now. The chicken prep, vegetable prep, and cucumber. Okay, let's start cooking. Follow me how I'm gonna seasoning this food. Cooking in vacation, Myrtle Beach house. Okay, start cooking. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna start cooking now. I'm gonna use the chicken oil. I just take off, just define, just a little bit, not much. That's it, right there. One chicken oil. Okay, the oil hot now. Let's go ahead. Put chicken in here right away. Okay, my ingredients will be sugar, brown sugar, chicken powder, and sea salt. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead seasoning. You know, in my cooking today, I have two different kinds of food. Sugar a little bit, brown sugar for taste, and chicken brown powder for tasting, and sea salt about. Okay, that's it. Take a gas and stir. Let them cook good. Right there. Little bit salt. That's it for topping. Just make a deep taste and cook well. Real good. Yep. Okay, chicken cooking 50% now. I'm gonna go ahead and first. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead put tomato. I just grab jalapeno for a little bit spice, not much. For me, it's not enough spice, but I just think about my family. They don't eat spice, you know. They don't eat too much spicy, so I just put a little bit only. So, okay. Now everything in. Looking good, right? See that? Looking good. This is how you cook stir-fried chicken and quality taste. Okay, chicken cooking good now. I'm gonna go ahead put cucumber in. You got healthy cooking stir-fried cucumber chicken. That's how you do it. The seasoning very easy, simple. That's it. Look at this. And cook about, I would say cook about 5 minutes. You want your cucumber crispy, right? If you want overcook, it's up to you. If you want crispy cucumber taste, then you cook only like 5 minutes. That's it. Look at this. Let them cook for a minute. Looking good, right? Oh, Oh yes, it tastes so good. Oh yeah, 5 more minutes and I'm done. Okay, cucumbers already cooked, medium cook. You want crunchy, so you don't want to cook so long. And topping cilantro, topping spring onion. Just like that, guys. So easy and simple. And quality cooking. Vacation food. Vacation food. Done. Turn it off. Turn off. Yep. Done. How good is that? Look beautiful and delicious. Yeah, that's it. Done. Come on, guys. Already done. Okay, everyone. Stir fry cucumber with chicken done. Crispy of chicken skin. You don't throw away. And cooking egg. This is breakfast and lunch and sticky rice. Ready, done. Look at that, healthy food. All right, let's eat. Let's eat, guys. Okay, sticky rice. This is how I'm gonna eat, right? I show you vacation food. You know, you got what you got. And cooking like this. Crispy chicken. And scrambled egg. Little bit everything for me. And cucumber chicken stir fry. That's it, guys. Very easy and simple food. Cooking. Vacation time. There you go. Come on. Alright, let's go eat. Okay, let's eat. Okay, let's go eat. Oh man. Good food. Good cooking. Everybody eat, I'm happy.มากินน้ำกัดพี่น้องทุกคนเย็นคุกกัมเบอร์คุกBefore you sit down, you give me a bottle of water. Wow, beautiful. Look at his plate. He don't play. Ah, breakfast and lunch. All right. Sit down and eat. Enjoy. Egg. How much you want some egg? Egg and rice. There you go. Big one. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe for every cooking so you have to do 2-3 of kind of food.